Introducing new Pleatco FilterWash, a fast-acting fizz cleaning tablet specially formulated to penetrate deeply into any reusable filter cartridge and remove the accumulated materials such as suntan lotion and oils, body oil, grease, dirt, soap scum, and other organics. Unlike other cleaning agents, Pleatco FilterWash comes in individual formulas, one for pools and one for spas, scientifically engineered for each environment. Pleatco FilterWash is environmentally friendly and requires no measuring and no messy chemicals. Each Pleatco FilterWash tablet cleans up to 2 filter cartridges and works by loosening debris from the filtration fabric simply and effectively. This thorough cleaning allows cartridges to return to a high level of original performance without harming the filter. Pleatco FilterWash is extremely easy to use. First, hose off the filter cartridge. Next, fill a bucket of water and place in 1 Pleatco FilterWash tablet. Now, submerge the cartridge and let it soak for 25 minutes for best results. Finally, remove the cartridge, give it a spray with the hose to clean off any excess debris, and you're done. Presto! Sparkling clean. For larger cartridges, you can use Pleatco FilterWash in a bigger container, such as a cleaning bin, or simply soak one end in a bucket and then spin and soak the other end. To clean up, the water can be safely discarded after use. Pleatco FilterWash, the mighty little tablet that does the work for you. From Pleatco, the clean water company.